That's Plot is Big Bear. Fun in the snow.
Well, here, you want to stop it or you want to just continue taping like that?
Keep continuing, man. Shut that off and take the camera.
Shit. Maybe I should put it off the trail a bit.
Yeah, Oh, drop the camera. Here.
Alright. Oh, how do you like the black there, folks? Alright.
Still recording?
Yeah. So that's me, Matt Plant. I was on Yamaha 1985 big wheel 200, and that's a Geo 100.
150.
150. So he's gonna have some fun on that ice patch right there. There he goes. And that's Rob Peterson. Oh. No way. He seems... Hold on. He seems to be stuck. I'm no rocket scientist, but, yeah. There's the hole. There's the ice. Oh, it just keeps on breaking the further she goes. Oh, he learned his lesson on that one. You don't go unless you know. It's solid. Hey, try crossing that pond there, Rob.
What? Whatever. It's fucking awesome anyway. Fuck you, water. I like the rooster tails coming off of that bitch.
It was awesome.
Next
up, you're going to see me take a run at a giant puddle. That's not the one over there. Later. I don't know when.
Are you going to do that one, the one back there?
Yeah, I'm going to do it again, but at a good tilt. I'm going to get them to stop and tape me. So.
This is Rob Peterson signing off.
And Matt Plant.
A special guest.
Yeah.
And this is a nice, fun episode of Rob's ATV. See you later.
Now you turn it off.